Hi everyone, my name is Mauricio Padilla, and I am the brand director for Kiehl at L'Oréal Mexico. Let me take you through a typical day in Kiehl. The first Kiehl boutique in the country was opened at Mexico City in the year 2006, and soon it became a success. Today, we have 17 boutiques across the country. To ensure our continued growth, I'm responsible for setting big ambitions for the brand, all together with my team, so we can achieve the goal set. My team comes from a very important background. Most of them started working at boutiques. This becomes very helpful to create the best solutions for the business. This is why I believe that my key contribution to the business is to inspire them to think big. I'm always trying to promote teamwork and to set a strategic vision. I can define my interaction with my team in 2 words: empowerment and strengthening their abilities to make a difference from each of their positions. Kiehl is one of the most important and attractive retail brands in the country. Why? Because we pay attention to the details and we create a shopping experience carried with passion and consistency. That is why, for me, it's very important to visit our boutiques on a regular basis, to meet with the store managers and KCRs and to listen their needs. I like to keep them updated with the general picture of the Kiehl strategy and to involve them with the business situation. At the same time, this helps develop their careers. The Mexican consumers see Kiehl as a place to celebrate their uniqueness and the particularity of their beauty needs. They are looking to be part of our community. They are leaders who know what they want and who aren't afraid to ask for it. They are world travelers, cosmopolitans, who seek to have a small piece of New York in Mexico. Every client, every purchase ticket, and every service counts when it comes to building our business and our community. What inspires me each morning to come to work? Well, there are 2 things: my passion for the brand and my wonderful team. I am passionate about beauty and about making the world a more beautiful place. So it's a perfect match with Kiehl. I can't wait for tomorrow.